Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm on my goal to 10K subscribers and I will definitely need your help to get there. So if you are new here, subscribe and tap open app above so that you can subscribe to my channel without signing in. And if you are a return subscriber, hey girl, hey. So for today's design, we are going to be sewing a beanie hat. And this is going to be the first design in my What I Made to Wear series. So you will need a sewing machine to complete this design, and all of my recommended sewing supplies can be found in my description. There are links to Amazon where you guys can shop sewing machines and anything else that you will need to achieve this look. So beanie hats are very simple, quick, and easy to make. So that's why I decided to start off with this project as our first design in the series. I use my beanie hat sewing pattern to achieve this look. And you guys can get this pattern for free when you join the Socialites Sew Members Area when we relaunch this Friday, December 27th. There will definitely be open and closed enrollment for this new launch. So I do want you guys to go ahead right now and join the Socialites Sew Members Area waitlist so that you can hold your spot. This deal is not going to be a forever deal where you can get patterns for free throughout the lifetime of your membership. Once that's done, it is done. So if you don't join the wait list, when we do launch, if you do not get a chance to get your spot, you will miss out on this opportunity. This is an amazing opportunity that I feel any of you guys would like. So join that wait list right now. When you do join Members Area, you get access to my full sewing tutorial video library, plus all of my patterns. And there are over 20 patterns and sewing tutorials on this app, and everything is hosted on an app. It is amazing, and it's perfect for you to get started sewing if you already sew and you want to make really cute designs, whether you want to sell them or if this is just simply as a hobby for you. So this beanie hat to me is so cute. I made this hat for the first time about 2 years ago, and I've had the pattern for a while, and I was just waiting for Members Area to relaunch to like put it out there. But I love this beanie hat because I'm the type of person, when I need to get stuff, I need to get stuff done. I'm not gonna be getting all primp and pressed. I'm gonna make sure my face looks good. You know, I look good, but above all, I am the girl that will throw a hat on. I do not need to have hair hanging, any of that stuff. I feel like this is the perfect look if you are just having a good day, not a rough day, and you still wanna look cute. So let's get all the way into it. So there are 5 steps that I need you guys to keep in mind before we actually get started sewing. The first step is to make sure that you have time set to the side to sit down and make sure that you are able to successfully complete your project. The second step is to go ahead and grab your pattern. The third step is to print your pattern from your home computer or a print shop, whatever you decide or choose. The fourth step is to go ahead and get started sewing. And then the fifth step is to make sure that you take beautiful pictures in your handmade design, whether it's a flat lay, whether you're wearing it or you are styling the design on a mannequin. Grab those pictures because I would love to share your work. Members Area is an interactive community, and I want to be able to share your designs on my YouTube channel and the Socialites Sew Members Area group on Facebook that has over 5,000 members. I want to be able to share on my Instagram, TikTok, all of that stuff. The goal this year is to make sure that you are not sitting on patterns and fabric, to make sure that you are completing every design that you start working on from start to finish, and then making sure that you are able to showcase every design that you make in the best light possible with the perfect pictures. So now we are ready to get started sewing. So I have my fabric, some scissors, my rotary cutter, some pins, my thread, and then I'm also going to be using my cutting mat. So I'm just gonna pin there quickly. Okay, so both sides on each garment are sewed down. So now what I'm going to do is open it up. I'm going to start pinning around the whole entire beanie hat. we're gonna push the hat, that part inside of the hat, and we're gonna push it all the way down and keep just adjusting it until we see that everything is even, just like this. So the hat is done, and this is the finished product. It looks so nice. I've even added my clothing tag here in the back, and you can actually fold the hat over just like this. So you can wear it like where it's cuffed, or you can wear it straight down. Like for me, this is how I wear my beanie. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and join the members area waitlist, as we will be launching this Friday, December 27th. And you will want to make sure that you are all signed up so that you can get all patterns for free. Subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.